In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to log into your Hostinger account quickly and without any confusion. Whether you've just purchased hosting, registered a domain, or you're coming back to manage your website, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. Logging into Hostinger is very simple, but if you're new to the platform, it helps to know exactly where to go and what to enter. I'll also share a couple of quick tips in case you run into login issues. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy-to-follow website tutorials. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your preferred web browser. This can be Google Chrome, Safari, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox. Once your browser is open, go to the address bar at the top and type in https://www.hostinger.com/login, and then press enter on your keyboard. Make sure you are on the official Hostinger website to keep your account secure. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the Hostinger login page with fields asking for your email address and password. On the login page, you'll see two main fields. In the first field, enter the email address that you used when creating your Hostinger account or when purchasing your hosting plan. Be careful to type your email correctly without any spelling mistakes. In the second field, enter your password. Remember that passwords are case-sensitive, so check that your caps lock key is not turned on if your password includes lowercase letters. After entering your email address and password, double-check that both details are correct. Once you're sure everything is accurate, click on the Log In button below the fields. Hostinger will then verify your credentials. If your details are correct, you'll automatically be redirected to your Hostinger dashboard. Inside the dashboard, you'll be able to manage your websites, domains, hosting plans, emails, and other services. This is your main control panel where you can install WordPress, upload files, manage databases, set up professional email accounts, and monitor your website performance. If you have multiple websites, you'll see them listed here, and you can choose which one you want to manage. Now, if for some reason you forgot your password, don't worry. On the same login page, you can click on the Forgot Password option. Hostinger will ask you to enter your registered email address, and they'll send you a password reset link. Simply follow the instructions in that email to create a new password and regain access to your account. And that's it. That's exactly how to log into your Hostinger account step by step. As you can see, the process is very straightforward and only takes a few seconds once you know where to go. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful hosting and website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.